Hello, welcome to Organic Eleganz. I'm your host, Felicia Heinsohn, and today I'm going to show you how to make lazy curls. A quick, easy way to curl your hair without using a hot iron for at least 2 days. All you need is your hairspray, gel, mousse, hair ties, comb, and other items to style your hair. First, take a shower the night before you're going to make the curls and brush your hair straight. Split your hair in 2 sections and twist each section in the same direction your hair grows or lays. Make sure you are making ponytails high on the head. Wrap your hair around the base and take your hair tie around the loose hair so it's full and self-holding. Sleep overnight like this. In the morning or when you wake, take the buns out and start taking your fingers or comb through them to fluff them out. Next, put the gel, mousse, or other products on your wet hand and start getting the curls full of wet, damp product for holding. You may need to flip your head over to get all over. Continue until all your hair is full of product without it weighing down the curls. Style as desired. For more body the next day, get your hair damp again with more product, and it will reset. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your lazy curls.